Hey, what's up Cardano? The very important and the very urgent update for all Cardano holder, my brother. In the same time, very critical condition. So let's start a brand video. In this video, we predicate this coin, video technical analysis, and also my friend tell you some very special about Cardano in this video. So let's start a brand video. Kindly holder, please, if you are new on our channel, subscribe this channel and like the video. My brother, this time last 3 days chart is on the screen, and the last 3 days this coin is in the loss. So therefore, my friend, I make this video for all holder to understand better and absolutely what's the future. The future is going to be bright or not. We completely tell us about this. So first of all, I shortly explain, my friend, this chart. You can see, my brother, there are my friend, you can see here 3 bad fails but 2 good jumps, and absolutely the third good jump is coming soon. Now I know, my brother. So this time you can see here after a jump, you can see here they fails down. So absolutely, my friend, they will fails down after a jump. So therefore I know to after this fails they also take a very huge jump now, and they will, my friend, gonna be equal 3 jumps and 3 fails. So therefore I know to upcoming time they will moving upward. So hope you also understand. That's mean to the future is gonna be bright. Cardano is moving upward. Cardano price will be increasing now. So what we do, my friend holder, and the same time what we do, if you have any plan to invest more, so I think this is very good time, my brothers, to you invest more and absolutely take a very good profit at the end of month. Yes, especially, my friend, after the mid of month every coin will starting moving upward like a rocket, and definitely, my friend, at the end of month especially they will give you a very good profit. So why you are waiting? I think if you have any plan to invest more, so this is very good time, my friends, to you invest now. Invest, hold, and wait for the end of month. I hope they will make you millionaire. See you next time. Allah Hafiz. Take care.